Oh my God, what a day I'm having, friends. Oh my goodness. So many things to do. I have to go to the post office and then I'm going shopping with my love. But first, I wanted to show you my amazing Ipsy Plus for the month of December. So, the thing that I love the most about my five full size products for $27.99, the thing I love most about it is that you get to pick three, count them, one, two, three of the five products that you get. So I'm on the website all the time. Oh, I took one out of the box. I gotta put it back in the box. Back in the box. So you get the little app, and then in the first couple days of the month, it will say it's time to choose, and you choose three products. They have great items to choose from tons of fabulous places. So let's get into this month's Ipsy Plus. Now, the first two are the ones that Ipsy picked for me. By the way, I got my hair cut. I love this haircut. I think he did a fantastic job. He kind of stacked it in the back, so it'll be easier for me to fix. So I love that. So anyway, the first product that Ipsy picked for me is from Clarity. I've never had anything from this brand. It's the Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. So excited when I get serums. You have no idea. I'm like, my face will use all the serums. Thank you. Just bring all the serums right over here. And then the next thing, so I tried this one today and it feels fantastic. It's got almost a gel type feeling, but it goes into the skin and hydrates, and it's smooth and wonderful. So I like it so far. This is the Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream, and I'm really excited to have this because I've had the Peptide sleeping mask, and I'm really excited to try the eye cream. So that will be amazeballs. So that was item number 2. Item number 3 is one that I picked, and I just realized item number 4 wasn't in there. Item 3 is one of the ones that I picked, and this is by Shades by Shan. This is a highlighter palette. I think my choice was between this and something I didn't want. I can't remember. But I was real excited when it came. It looks kind of like Anastasia Beverly Hills, her highlighter palettes. But check out these babies when they're swatched. Shade by Shan, you're now on my radar. Officially. Look at these shades. I can wear all of them. This is the one I have on today, and it's stunning. I have to kind of redo the tip of my nose a little bit because I hadn't powdered when I put this on yet. Gorgeous. Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful highlights. Glad that I tried that. Now, of course, did I need more highlighters? No, but do like to have a nice selection because different highlighters go for different things. And I usually use Jeffree Star's highlights, but, you know. Okay. My goodness. Okay, so now we have my favorite 2 things, and I'm excited. So, from Uoma, which, if you know, you know, it was my first video on this channel, was my Uoma Beauty review. That was a long time ago, friends. So this is the Icon Beauty Badass. It says, a badass does not talk about being a badass. I'm all shaky. I don't know what that's from. I haven't taken my medicine yet, so I should probably do that. Look at that shade. That's what I have on my lips. Look at how perfect that is. So this will go with berries. This will go with purples. This will go with anything cool toned. And it's a beautiful, cool tone nude, and I'm so excited. It has a light texture. It's almost like a whipped kind of texture. Makes a perfect matte, doesn't dry out the lips. This is gold. I'm super excited about it. It's gonna live in my top drawer, if that's really a thing. By the way, I love the bag this time. The stars on it, so cute. Probably will put some sort of Christmas gift in that. Like maybe some of the things I got for my mom, I'll stick down in that bag because it's super cute. The next thing I was super excited for, this is from Très Luce, or Très Luce, or Très Luce. I don't know how to say it. Sorry, guys. But I got a black eyeliner pencil and this copper one. Now, I put the copper one in the waterline. Oh, don't look at my really super dirty house. Because I'm running on like dreams and inspiration at this point. So I will say that I applied this in the waterline, and then I went to go get my hair cut, and upon coming back, I'm having to reapply this liner. So this might not be the best waterline eyeliner, but we'll see. We'll continue to use that. So for me, for my money, $27, 5 fabulous items that would have cost me a fortune. Yeah, I'm all in. Thank you very much, Ipsy Plus. Now, one more thing I've got to tell you about, and I'm going to make a TikTok about it right now because it's important. This Huda Beauty palette, Mercury Retrograde. I got this on sale for half off. It is still half off, and it is still in stock, guys. And this is a great Christmas present. Now that I saw the Rose Quartz palette and how gorgeous and amazing that was, I was super stoked when they put this on half off, and I definitely got me one. This look is created with this palette. I love that it's a lot of cool tone neutrals over here. You got some a little bit warmer shades over here, and then you've got these beautiful purples and blues and teal. You've got that beautiful peach, which is on my eyes. I absolutely love this. It's fan-flipping-tastic. So if you're looking for a last-minute gift, $33.50 on Sephora. You can pay in payments with Klarna. I think they take another app as well. Go give them some love. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.